Good evening, this is Keith All, and in today's tutorial we're going to learn how to create a fold brochure effect, meaning that imagine that you have a product brochure in your hand and it's either bifold or trifold, and you open it up and there's a crease down the middle or a crease down 1/3 of the brochure itself. And what we're going to do is we're going to create this in Photoshop, and what you see on the screen right now, I have like a bifold, basically a bifold brochure. So basically it looks like there is a crease down the middle of our canvas here, and it looks like there's going to be like 2 pages here, and it looks like that fold that you would see in real life in a brochure. So in order to create this, it's very simple, just a few steps. What I'll do is I'm going to delete this layer and we'll start over. So basically what you're going to do is you want to create a new layer above the layer that you want to create the effect on. So once you create the new layer, what you want to do is you want to create a gradient. So let's create the gradient tool. Right now my foreground color is black, my background color is white. I'm going to select the gradient tool editor, and basically you want the foreground to transparent preset, and click OK. And all you have to do is now draw your gradient. Now I'm holding the shift key to draw a straight line out towards the right, and you don't have to go too far. And that's about it. Now what you want to do is you want to move this layer using the move tool, and then you just move it to the area that you want the crease to show. And now all you have to do is you want to decrease the opacity of this layer to get the fold effect that you want. So right now I set it to 17%, but as you can see, you could have a crease there in the middle, or wherever you want to create a crease in your canvas, and it looks like there's a fold in your canvas. So that's how you do this. If you haven't done so already, subscribe to my channel. I upload multiple videos during the week. And if you are subscribed, don't forget to click on the bell notification so you always get updated when I upload a new video. And always please like, share, and comment. I'd appreciate it. Thank you for stopping by today. You have a great day, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye now.